I spent years thinking wood burning was only for professional artists until I realized I just had bad tools. I bought the top 5 kits available in 2026 and spent weeks burning everything from pine to leather in my garage. I'll show you which ones actually handle the heat and which aren't worth the burn. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Weller WSB 25 WB 25 Watt Short Barrel Wood Burning Kit. When I first grabbed the Weller WSB 25 WB, I noticed the barrel is much shorter than most. This is actually a huge plus because it puts your hand closer to the wood, giving you way more control over your lines. The handle feels thick and impact resistant, which I appreciated when I accidentally bumped it against my workbench. I tested out the 9 different tips, and my favorite part was the hot knife. It sliced through craft materials like butter. It's a 25-watt iron, so it takes a minute to get up to temp, but once it's there, it stays consistent for basic projects. I noticed the stainless steel barrel didn't discolor even after an hour of use. If you're looking for a simple, high-quality starter kit from a brand that's been around forever, this is the one. It doesn't have fancy temperature dials, but it's built to last. Switching over to the station kits. Product number 2, YIHUA 939II Wood Burning Kit Station Blue. Switching over to the YIHUA 939II station was a totally different experience. I noticed right away that having a dedicated power station makes the pen much lighter and easier to hold for long sessions. The wire nibs are the real stars here. They heat up and cool down almost instantly compared to solid brass tips. I spent a lot of time playing with the temperature knob, which goes from 482 all the way up to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit. This range allowed me to do delicate shading on soft pine and then crank it up for deep lines on harder oak. I also loved the 20 different nib options. The hair-burning tip made drawing textures incredibly easy. If you're moving past the beginner stage and want a tool that feels more like a professional drawing pen, this station is worth the extra desk space. You'll definitely see the difference in your detail work. Product number 3, IVSUN 116 PCS Wood Burning Kit. When I opened the IVSUN box, I was honestly overwhelmed by the 116 different pieces. I noticed the pen itself feels like a standard soldering iron, but with a digital temperature dial on the handle. My favorite part was the 15-second heat-up time. I didn't have to sit around waiting to start my project. I tested this on various surfaces, including leather and cork, and the 60-watt power handled them all without needing much pressure. The sheer amount of accessories, stencils, carbon paper, and even colored pencils makes it feel like a complete hobby shop in a bag. I noticed the storage box keeps all those tiny tips organized, which is essential when you have 59 of them. If you're a DIYer who wants to try every possible craft from embossing to soldering in one go, this massive kit is the best value. It's a true all-in-one solution for any artistic home project. Product number 4, YIHUA 939II Wood Burning Kit Station Green. I tested the green version of the YIHUA 939II to see if the performance stayed consistent, and I wasn't disappointed. I noticed the station design provides a very stable base, and the pen holder is much safer than those flimsy little metal stands. When I was working on a photo frame, the fast heating really helped me keep my workflow going without interruptions. I found that adjusting the temperature knob is the secret to getting the right color. If the burn looked too light, a quick turn to the right fixed it instantly. My favorite part was using the shader nib to create gradients on scrap wood before moving to my main project. The 20 wire nibs give you a ton of creative freedom for cross-hatching and stippling. If you value safety and want a reliable station that won't overheat during a long afternoon of crafting, this is it. Just start creating. Product number 5, Scissor-Tailed Premium Wood Burning Kit 43 PCS. When I held the scissor-tailed kit, the first thing I noticed was the beautiful wooden storage box. It makes the whole set feel like a premium gift rather than just a bag of tools. The 30-watt pen has an ergonomic handle that felt very comfortable in my hand, even after 40 minutes of work. One thing I absolutely loved was the inclusion of pliers. I was able to swap out hot tips safely without waiting for the pen to cool down, which saved me so much time. I tested the alphabet stencils on a small sign, and the results were crisp and professional looking. The guidebook included is actually helpful, filled with techniques that I noticed helped my shading almost immediately. If you're looking for a complete, well-organized gift for yourself or a friend to start a new hobby, this deluxe wooden box set is the perfect choice. It is fantastic. I hope this helps you find the right tool for your next project. Wood burning is a blast once you have the right gear. Make sure to check the links in the description for the current prices. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay creative and keep burning.